What's poppin', billionaires gang? How you guys doing? I know it's been a while. I've made morning analysis kind of video. I've been really busy. Just thought to give you guys my analysis this morning for those of you that cares to know. So guys, I just want to give you guys some recaps, and of course also give you guys what I'm looking forward to this morning. USD CAD has been pushing to the downside. Now we break these zones here. If this candle here holds, this H4 candle here holds and close below here, close below these two lines here, I will be looking to go short. I will look to go short somewhere around this point. So I will just be waiting around this point to go short for today. That is if market ever goes back there. So I'll be looking to go short here. Okay, so that is that about that. And let me just draw this one a little bit. So guys, Euro AUD. So Euro AUD basically today, yesterday we took this trade yesterday. We took this beautiful trade yesterday. We moved over 1 to 2 on this trade yesterday, and price just have some kind of retracement or pullbacks or whatever you call it. And as you can see, price pushed back up right on our stop loss, and immediately price crashed to the downside to hit TP. That was crazy. Right? This was the first pair I saw this morning. Opening my laptop, I saw this push to the downside, and I was like, yeah. not looking at this guy here, and I just went to my MT5. When I got to my MT5 and MT4, I saw that I got stopped out. I was like, whoa, what's going on? Now going back to this point here, I saw that we got pinned out. Was crazy. Yeah. So it's all good, guys. It's all good. 1% loss is not a disease, right? It's not a disease. We tie our lions again, and of course we move forward, right? So presently right now, if this H4 candle here closes as strong as this and close below here, that will be a very beautiful thing. Then I'll be waiting to go short just around this point here. So we got pinned out on this trade. Where my stop loss needs to be and my take profit needs to be is already determined before I enter the trade at all. So I know where is best for my stop loss, and I know where is best for my TP. I just guess that rule doesn't apply to this, right? Because we get pinned out and market continue to the downside. So on GBP JPY, we are currently on this trade this morning. Nice trade. Could have been like 6% win on Euro AUD and GBP JPY. The trades we took on Monday, yesterday, could have been a 6% win, because I'm very positive that this one is going to hit TP. All right. And of course, I've closed almost all my position on this trade. When this candle was up here, I closed almost all my position already, because the remaining one is just very tiny. So I just closed almost all my position at that point. Right? So we had one loss and we had one win, and our win is close to 3%, which is absolutely beautiful. And if you wait and if you hold this one, of course it's going to give us 3%. So that is just it, right? But GBP JPY didn't stop us out, didn't pin us out, which is good. The same rule, the same strategy, and the same rule where my stop loss has to be, the same rule where my TP has to be, right? So the power of it is always being able to to know what you're doing and believe in your strategy no matter what comes, right? Comes rain, comes sunshine, just believe in it, respect it. So for this week, generally, I'm going to be looking for more of buys this week on GBP JPY. Yeah, I will be looking for more of buys. In short, it will be very difficult for me to get into sales on GBP JPY this week. If price pull back to somewhere around this point here, I'll be looking to go long again from here, right? This zone here that we see here, this one, I'll be looking to go long here. And if price continues to move and move somewhere around this point, the market moves beautifully above here, I'll be looking to go long around this point here. So that's just the pretty things I'm looking for right now. Bye for now, guys.